EcoBot is a virtual energy saving assistant developed within an H2020 project that exploits non-intrusive load monitoring (NILM), multifactorial behavior modeling, and natural language processing to motivate behavior change towards more energy-efficient practices by providing user-centric information about energy consumption at appliance level and personalized energy-saving advice. EcoBot is currently being demonstrated in 3 European pilots, each representing a different business model for validation across real and diverse conditions. In order to meet the varied reliability, sampling and scalability constraints of the user groups and use cases where no sub-metering data is available for training, the following NILM algorithms form the basis of the NILM module. Novel, supervised, transfer learning-based, appliance-specific NILM models for each of 3 EcoBot residential pilots resolutions: 10 second, 1 minute, 1 hour. Prediction-based commercial NILM models, 15-minute sampling resolution. The NILM module receives as input anonymized smart meter readings and a one-off appliance survey, filled in by the customers once they register and optionally updated when they add or remove an appliance. Let's see some NILM-related EcoBot features and usage scenarios for consumers. The user can request the consumption of all their appliances or of a specific appliance for different periods. The user can also compare the consumptions of different periods. The chatbot can help the user investigate the reasons for a high electricity bill by providing a number of options. For instance, the user can select to check the consumption of their appliances for last month. Then the user could explore if it's worth investing in a new appliance, triggered by the high consumption of one or more of their appliances. EcoBot sends alerts when the consumption of the previous day exceeds a certain threshold. The user could check the consumption of their appliances for that day. Then the user could request the high and low consumption days of the last month and check the appliance's consumption of the day with the highest consumption. Facility managers have a different menu that is tailored to their needs. They can request the appliance's consumption of the last week or of the last month for any of the buildings they manage. The project involved a small-scale validation phase through online time diaries and feedback, engaging users from all 3 pilots and assessed with 2 metrics. Consumption accuracy, which measures accuracy in estimated energy consumption where sub-metering was available. Classification detection accuracy, which measures if an appliance run is detected at the correct time. The project consortium consists of 9 industrial and academic partners from 5 European countries.